2023, the last year, I had a total income of. Since editing videos is what I enjoy the most, when I first discovered that we can edit the video the way we want, I am fascinated with that process. And in 2021, I started editing videos. And you can never imagine how horrible I was it. But learning the skills around the years and building my ridiculous portfolio, and guess what? I got my first client. Hey there, the fellow video editors. It's time for me to spill the beans and reveal how much money I made around these 3 months in last years. As you might know, nowadays video editing is boom in the industry. Every creators and every business owner want to edit their videos and put that on the social media. And more businesses realizing the power of editing videos, the capturing their attention to their audience and make the funnel to sell their products. And guess what? We editors are in high demand. So let's get straight to the number without further ado. I made an incredible $1,000 in just around 3 months. I know it's not too much. You want to hear about 6-figure, but at the start I made enough and I'm very pleased of this number. Yes, I realize that it's not too much that I earn, but it is little bit my mistake. At the start of first 3 months, I get an enough client and made a decent amount of money. But at the 9 months, I didn't get a client, which leads to my depression, anxiety, and self-doubt. But hey, I just started doing it. I don't need to rush it. Even for you also, don't need to rush anything. Just focus on your skill. And here is the best part. Editing video is just not about financially independent. It's all about building the stories, creating that stories and make it together and show your stories. It's all about imagination. It's all about the idea. It's all about the creativity. So to all aspiring editors, don't discourage the challenge you may encounter along the way. Keep pushing, keep learning, keep building your skills. And if I can achieve this in 3 months, so you can. But here's the part, doing all this, we need the gear into your hand. If you don't have that camera, if you don't have that laptop, you don't develop your skill. But here is the video, you can check it out how you do with the mobile editing. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye guys.